morning, Bastien Mahé from Bivin Real Estates, showing you today a house called Casa Cinema. So it's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, garden and pool. It comes with equipment for kitchen, so you have the stove, 6 fires, an oven, fridge, all the lights, TVs, curtains, ACs on the living room and each bedrooms. Also ceiling fans working with remote controls. We arrive here on the side, first bedrooms. So 2 bedrooms sharing 1 toilet. You see ceiling fans, automatic, and ACs in each room. All the equipments are new. Dressing, hardwood for doors. We arrive here in the middle with the chair bathroom. Second bedrooms here, same configuration as the first one, but a bit smaller. With also the dressing area and also, of course, the ceiling fan and AC. And we have then the third room, so will be the master room, also with this dressing, ceiling fan and ACs. And here we have the master bathroom, with the toilet and the shower. What I like on the shower is this big shower head to enjoy. So it's not a turnkey because you have to add your beds, tables, chairs. So we go now in the garden. So here in the garden, I cut the video because it's windy, so I close the door. So we have first here a laundry room. So it's hot water also in the house. Here is our garden and our swimming pool. So we have laundry on the side. There is then here the machine rooms for the bomb of the pool. And you see you have like 2 tanks of about 700 liters. So it's like 1400 liters altogether in the house of reserve. So it's a day and a half. And you see on the side there is a garden shower. So it's very dry, it's very hot and windy. That's why the grass is not as green as we wish, but no worry, May, June, raining is coming and everything will be all green again. So stairs here goes on our rooftop. So it could be nice to use this rooftop at night or evening. What we like here, it's a reserve area, so it's a green area, it won't be developed, so no one will be in front of us, which is a great advantage. You see our neighbors build or will make an extension here on this balcony. So it's a small balcony, could it be 15 square meters? So we are 5 minutes from town. Behind those hills, access to Pena Rota. Pena Rota, it's a beach, and it will be like a 5-minute drive. Pool is a perfect size, I would say. Doesn't need to be bigger. When it's bigger, it costs more in maintenance. So we get in through the house, and we can also get in through the garden here on this side. So our gate here closed our garden and make it private. I show you here. So here you have bomb and filter for pool. So the house is listed at $160,000. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. The lot size is 250 square meters. And the construction is about 120 square meters.